the week of Christmas, and Santa's got to get out of here. I got to get back to the North Pole. I got a lot of work to do. But before I go, let me give you the winners for the last giveaway. Here we go. It's the Big Four. Fab Fours, any Toyota product. Abraham, Sunny Isles Beach, Florida. But it's beautiful down there right now. Fabtech gave away a GM 1500 3-inch lift kit. That's going to be Rhonda from Butler, Alabama. Factor 55 had the Sawtooth recovery bag. Juanita in Crawford, Texas, that's going to you. Gary's going to get that out right away. And the big one, the Warren XD12S. Timothy out in Indianapolis, Indiana. Hoosier Nation, you got one. What a great week of giveaways. What a great Christmas. Can't wait to be back next year. Merry Christmas, boys and girls.